Hey, how's it going? It's Jordan with Guardian Woodworking, and today I'm going to be talking about the Guardians Guild and why you might want to consider joining. But before I dive into what the Guardians Guild is, I want to let you know that the doors are currently open at $17 a month or $170 a year. That's 2 months for free. And the doors are closing soon at that price and will never be that price again, because we're adding a bunch of really cool new videos and lessons and resources that are increasing the value. So you want to get in now so you can lock in that low price for life. So what is the Guardians Guild? This is an exclusive, affordable community and program designed to help the beginner woodworker, 1, grow your skills, 2, inspire you with new build ideas, 3, receive direct feedback on your builds, and 4, teach you a step-by-step process to earn money from your builds. Inside the guild, we have members earning 4 to 5 figures a month on their builds, like Jim, Andrew utilizing CNC machines to take his builds to the next level, Patrick created his own logo to start advertising his own woodworking, and more. The guild is not fancy by any means, but it's designed to be practical, easy to implement, but jam-packed with tons of useful information to help you build on your skills and your expertise at your own pace. As soon as you enroll, you get access to all of our online courses, including the What Not to Do to Make Money as a Woodworker, how to take pro photos of your builds using only your smartphone, how to learn SketchUp basics for beginners, and much more. You'll also find a build plan library, a woodworker's project journal to keep your shop and projects organized, and a lot more. On top of the education inside the guild, it is also a community. This means you get access to the unique, passionate group of woodworkers, all helping each other reach our goals. This includes Q&A, sharing your own build projects, and access to me so that I can answer your woodworking questions on a daily basis. This is a super unique place because not only is it affordable and designed for the beginner woodworker, but I don't just hand you off to some community manager. As soon as you join and during your entire membership, you get direct access to me. And my goal is to help you reach your personal woodworking goals and support and inspire you on your woodworking journey. So whether you're a beginner or a novice or a young guy, retiree, whether your woodworking is a hobby or your retirement plan, or you want to build for fun or earn income from your builds, the Guild is here to get you to your goal. I've been woodworking in some capacity for most of my life, and I've grown several successful businesses, so I'm pooling all of my knowledge and experience to help keep the woodworking community alive and thriving. We've grown our own YouTube channel to almost 10,000 subscribers in only a few months, with hundreds of thousands of views. I don't say this for any other reason other than to show you this community is growing quick, and I want you to get access to everything we are building and have to offer before the price goes up. Woodworking is a lot more than a hobby to me. It's a passion. It's even my therapy most of the time. I truly believe, and so do our current members, that even though this community is brand new, it offers incredible value and opportunities. I just want to say thanks for following me and your interest, because this is new, and I'm asking you if you can find it in your heart to join. The more woodworkers inside of the Guild, the more we all benefit, and it will really help this community to thrive. This is a family-run business, and we are working hard to make this incredibly valuable for you. So thanks for checking out the Guardians Guild, and I hope to see you inside.